Welcome to my YouTube, guys. Ang inyong caregiver magluto og fried egg. While drinking coffee. Mo nang doorbell siya.
Nadala sa newspaper. Rapo na ba dahil na sila ko na
Amo ba?
wala ba? Rapo na ba? Tawag ko sila sa newspaper.
Idala pa niya ang newspaper.
Newspaper.
Good for him. So how many sausage?
How many is in that package? TWO or THRE?
3.
Alright, only 2.
Okay.
Bag. Fold up the thing. How much time is in your eyes? You're short enough. Too many cooks. Well, I'm only doing naked cook.
While I'm cooking, I'm drinking my...
You're doing real. Yes. Yeah, that's another one.
Tapos paper plate ang ginagamit. Sagla sila ito galing yung mga regular na plate. Can I get some horse days?
Grab in the drawer.
So crack the egg. Ay! Na, kana ra. Kami laging dili tatak. Dili tapo. Naagi mga imperfection. You should buy the organic egg dates
Yeah, we done it.
because it's healthy for you guys. But they're expensive, I know. They're not cheap. You don't put salt, right? No salt.
Correct. Yeah, it is as needed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I rarely. Because I had salty sausage.
Yeah.
So
That's
rarely
fine.
needed. Still have to get the sausage.
Okay. So good egg guys. Paper towel yet. Oh, you put your Metamucil already?
But you know what?
Did you make the Metamucil already in your...
Correct.
Oh, wow.
Correct. Because it gets it's in the way.
Kami tigil mo coffee, guys. Buutan lang siya. Say hi to my video.
Oh. Yeah, I see what you mean.
He's a good man.
I got the Bears. Go Bears. He
Go
might
Bears.
Not, if he
Oh, what
tell us
time-
the Chicago football team.
Yeah, he's
You know.
the biggest fan of Chicago Bears. What time they're gonna play?
Noon kickoff from Minneapolis.
Minneapolis,
They're
Minnesota.
playing the Vikings.
I never been to the state. They have the biggest mall,
I had a
the
yeah,
biggest
that's right.
mall
All
of America.
The
Minneapolis, the biggest mall of
78, I had a
America.
computer conference. So we flew up there. Or
Wala
drove.
ka raw.
Actually, two of us. and then
Pakatanga ka, gaya ni Ate Claire. Wala yun ka.
he went somewhere else, and I had to fly back. Northwest Airlines was on strike. So we flew in a 740.
Oh, you went there just to watch the Bears?
No,
Oh,
there was no Bears. Vikings. Computer job.
Oh, you don't like
computer
to,
conference in Minneapolis. So
you don't
we
like to
drove
drive?
up. We drove up, and then he was going up to meet another guy. They were going to Canada and fishing, and I
Amping.
had to fly home.
Ano, inom ka na sleeping pills?
Okay. She said.
I told her, I remind her to take sleeping pills before she go home. That way, by the time she get home, she's already sleepy. Luto-luto tayo, guys. Umaga lang talaga ang magluluto ako, pero lunchtime, dinner time. Tall, dark, and handsome.
I'm not dark anymore.
You look good though. Is that heavy?
You're right, there's some out there.
Yeah, I saw it there by the hallway.
Adam was 3 years old.
Do you want the yellow to cook or what? The yellow.
Yellow to cook.
Or you want me
Oh,
to?
you flip it.
Do you want me to flip them?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the only way yellow to cook.
You want me to flip, right? Yeah. Talaga
In the real world,
insultador
somebody
yun
does
yung
a
sa
flip-flop.
pero
Or
si Al.
politics, that's what it is. Somebody does a flip-flop.
Yeah. Si Al siya, guys. Copyright is life, Aljan.
Go your own way. Okay. I had too
La
much.
la 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 la.
Closer is closer. Get this up to the high.
Sa asawa na naman. So good luck. Okay. First time ko magluto ng sunny side up sa amo na. Hindi natin alam kung gusto niyang cook or fully cook or light, whatever. So, We just have to do the best we can, right guys? So tingnan natin.
Some grease on top of that. How's that for a concoction?
Did you make strong coffee today?
Cream. Yeah. Instead of cream, I use the boost.
So,
And we have outside, we have waffles also.
nagluto kasi ako ng scrambled eggs. Tapos, yung shell, I did my best na makuha ko lahat. Pero, meron talagang naiwan at naanhon na ng amo ko. So, kaya ngayon, I have to be careful. Really careful. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong sabi niya about the egg. Chicken salad. Ito ang kanyang breakfast. Ito ang kanyang soup ng gamot. Kalat talaga pag morning guys. Pero mamaya, maayos ko rin yan. Pag-awin natin. Chicken salad. Chicken salad. Yan, ang daming pagkain guys. Dala ni Ate Carmela sa kagabi. So, paano tayo magugutom? So, hindi na tayo magugutom dito sa trabaho. Kasi ang amo natin, maraming pagkain sa ref. Sila din naman nagsabi na I can eat whatever I want here. Tapos, libreng kape. Hindi na tayo mag-Dunkin' Donuts. So, coffee for my lady. 8 ounces. Then, yung kape niya lagyan ng carnation.
Yeah, creams, that's the one.
Carnation and
Yeah, there's a little bit of that left.
Yeah.
They didn't have the packet, but the box and all that box.
Oh, they don't have
They didn't have them. No.
like the one before? Ako kasi ang nagsulat sa kung anong missing sa kitchen, isusulat ko sa papel. Makita na lang ng asawa dyan sa ref. Nakita ko sa inyo. Sinusulat ko dito kung anong kailangan, shopping list, breakfast ng lalaki. Tapos, carnation instant breakfast. So, I hope she likes it. At lahat ng liquid na iniinom ng aking among babae, may straw. Pero putulan ko kasi mataas. Yun. Always straw. Dahil mainit na, Yeah, I feel hot already. It was really cold out, very cold out.
Yeah, it's 37 on the Fox 32.
Plus the wind, my God, it's a killer.
Oh, on top of that.
Tapos magluto, maghugas. I'm gonna clean up your bathroom today, Dave. And then I have to wash your sheets. It's Sunday.
Yeah.
So, hindi ko trabaho. Nagawin ko. You didn't go to church on Sunday, Dave?
In the past, were different states.
Yeah. It's far from here, your church?
Yeah, the mile north, south of us. Route 66. I go to the cemetery site.
Oh.
The church changed hands. I went to their last session. Just before Memorial Day on 23. A week before. And then my brother's memorial was Saturday before Memorial Day. So people were up and then they went to Sharon's the picnic on Memorial Day Park.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Memorial Day is September, right?
Memorial Day is it's like before summer a little bit. Last Monday in May. There, I got some grapes in my Metamucil. I only put a few marshmallows in my coffee this time.
Yeah, it's bad for your sugar.
I only took 2 and now they've shrunken.
As we get older,
Oh, see, they're so small now they don't count, do they?
we have to watch our sugar.
It's too late.
Too late?
Yeah, I'm too old.
You're too old?
The damage has been done.
It's been done.
And I get 2 for 1 uses out of this fork.
So, tapos magkape na naman tayo. Kasi may fresh coffee. Are you going out today, Dave?
Yeah, we'll have something and then while I'm out to get more of the creamer. There's half and half, but I like regular creamer. I've heard of crispy bacon and you make crispy eggs, right?
Yes.
I should wait. I'm gonna get a bite now.
So yun lang guys in this morning's video.